Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to turn on data saving mode on YouTube application. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the YouTube application. So after this you can see profile at the bottom right corner. Click on it and then you can see gear options on the top right corner. So click on it. So after this here you can see data saving, so click on it. So in first option, so you can see data saving mode, so automatically adjust the setting to save mobile data, so turn it on. So guys, in this way you can see all setting is on. So if you want to turn it on one by one, so you can also set in default setting, reduce video quality, reduce download quality, reduce smart download quality. So similarly you can turn it on according to you. So if you want to turn it on by default, so just turn it on. So guys, in this way you can turn on data saving mode on YouTube application. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.